Playmakers, the daily sports bulletin from the bridge that brings you the big news and the top plays from the world of Indian sports.
Hello, I'm Vithi Jot and you are watching The Playmakers. On today's episode, we have updates on badminton, wrestling, motorsports and table tennis, so make sure you watch till the end. We start off with Tanvi Patri, the 13-year-old badminton prodigy from India who won the women's under-15 singles title at the Badminton Asia Junior Championships. She triumphed over Vietnam's Nguyen Thi Thuyen with the scores of 22-20 and 21-11, recovering from a significant deficit in the first game. Patri entered the tournament as the top seed and secured the gold medal without losing a single game. This victory adds to India's medal tally, following Jnana Dattu's bronze and under-17 men's single. Moving on to football, Odisha FC is set to debut in the 2024-25 AFC Women's Champions League after winning the Indian Women's League title. They will start their campaign in the preliminary stage, facing Lion City Sailors FC from Singapore and Etihad FC from Jordan. The tournament, featuring 21 clubs from across Asia, will progress through preliminary group and knockout stages. Odisha FC's matches in Group B are scheduled for August 25th, 28th and 31st and will be streamed live on FanCode. Motorsports update next, with veteran John Lancaster and 17-year-old Jaden Rahman Period clinching wins in the Indian Racing League and Formula 4 Indian Championship respectively at the Madras International Circuit. Lancaster triumphed in Indian Racing League's Race 1 after a dramatic race, while Period secured victory in the F4 Indian Championship following retirements of key competitors. Rohan Alvar also achieved notable podium finishes in both races. The Indian Racing Festival featuring these events continues over 5 rounds, highlighting emerging talents and dramatic racing actions. Now, speaking of drama, but of the unwanted kind, the Indian women's team found themselves stranded at the Oman Queen Alia International Airport after a triumphant performance at the Under-17 Wrestling World Championships. The team, which secured India's first ever Under-17 team title, missed their Qatar Airways flight home due to an early departure. The coaches on separate Emirates flight had already departed, leaving the young wrestlers behind. Efforts are underway by the Wrestling Federation of India to arrange an alternative flight and bring the wrestlers home. Staying with the wrestling, at the Under-17 Wrestling World Championship, India faced a setback in men's freestyle wrestling, finishing without medals for the first time since 2017. Despite strong performances early in the tournament, including a bronze medal bout by Jaspuran Singh that ended in the defeat, the Indian men's freestyle team couldn't secure a podium finish. However, India's women wrestling team achieved remarkable success, clinching the team title with a total of 5 golds, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals. Additionally, the Greco-Roman team contributed 2 bronze medals to the overall medal tally, bringing India's total to 10 medals for the championships. Let's shift our gaze to the ongoing Ultimate Table Tennis next, where U Mumba TT achieved a landmark 9-6 victory over Dabang Delhi TTC. The standout performance came from Indian star Satya Gnanasekharan, who overcame world number 20 Quadri Aruna in dramatic comeback. The win was pivotal for U Mumba TT, with additional contributions from Satirtha Mukherjee and a decisive mixed double victory by Manav Thakur and Maria Shao. In second match, the Ahmedabad SG Pipers made a strong debut with a commanding 10-5 victory over the reigning champion Athlete Goa Challengers. Captain Manas Shah played a crucial role, securing victories in both singles and mixed doubles, complemented by the impressive performances from Lilian Bardet and Bernadette Sood. Upcoming matches include Dabang Delhi TTC facing Chennai Lions and U Mumba TT going up against Jaipur Patriots. Finally, it's time for our play of the day, and it's none other than the young Tanvi Patri at the Badminton Asia Junior Championship. 13-year-old Tanvi Patri clinched the women's under-15 singles title at the Badminton Asia Junior Championships. Facing the formidable Nguyen Thi Thuyen of Vietnam in the finals, Tanvi demonstrated remarkable resilience. Despite a challenging start where she trailed 11-17 in the first game, Tanvi capitalized on Nguyen's unforced errors to level the score and secure the first game 22-20. The second game saw Tanvi assert her dominance from the outset, as she raced to a commanding 21-11 victory, sealing her championship title in straight games. Tanvi's impressive performance throughout the tournament, where she won every match without dropping a game, underscores her potential as a future star in badminton. Tanvi's victory marks a significant milestone in her young career. That's all we have for today. Do follow our content at thebridge.in and across all social media platforms for all the daily news and updates on Indian sports. Take care.